Hello, today I'm going to show you how I get these faux locks. This is a mistake, so take it out. Very easy. Pull your hair through. And it's out. Okay, back again. I have to redo this one. It's just easy. I just untwist. Make sure your hair is moisturized. Products. So we're going to use the Melaninhaircare line, the oil, the shea butter, and y'all don't come for me for these other brands. I know they're not black owned, but I already had them. Yes, I still use Blue Magic. Mango and lime, lock cream, and Aunt Jackie's. Okay, and water. Now, just my ends felt a little parched. Okay, ready it? Oh, look at those curls. We're just gonna ignore that. I'm gonna edit that out. And yeah. Okay. So I like to put a little bit on my scalp when it feels dry. I take a little. That's too much. About this much. Rub it. Smooth it. Look at that. Do you see that? I like my hair to shrink up for this, so a little water. A little oil. Like a drop. Just a dot, not a lot. And then a little gel. And a little bit, like that much. Just to smooth it all in place. This is what I'm using today. You open it up. I soaked mine in vinegar so they won't itch. You split it. Put it in the middle. And just braid. Tight to the scalp because y'all know my hair. She like to do whatever. I hope y'all can see, because I really don't feel like doing a lot of editing. If any. What you see is what you get. Okay, I need my hair to shrink some more. And now I just twist the rest. Yes, this heat is breaking me out. Who on the live? Hey everybody. I know. If my hair was thick enough, I wouldn't need this. It's the same length. So I gotta wait for it to shrink. Spray it with a little water. So that'll shrink up. I'll go to the next one. Same, different technique. I just push it through, hook it on. And I'm gonna pull both of them through. Can y'all see that? Okay. Yeah, if y'all could see that. Just a moment. Okay. And we just open it and wrap. Just wrap it around. This is really hard to do on camera because I can't see. Just wrap, wrap, wrap. I like a little messy look. I know some people don't, but I just like it to look natural. Sometimes I leave the end out, or you just tuck it in. Yeah, that's good enough. Nobody should be that close to you. Cool. Good enough for me. Back to this one. Shrank up a little bit, but it's getting good. We're gonna unwrap. hope y'all can see this. I think this method looks better. I'll probably redo the others only because it's in the front, and I know some of y'all like to be all in people's head. Getting close to the end. Your eyes are not deceiving you. This is another color. Almost there. I'm real lazy sometimes. This is what it looks like. The difference. Is there one? I don't know. I don't care. I'm gonna edit that out. But yeah, thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Peace. Peace.